Hello and welcome to today's Platinum member only weekly market review of the large cap cryptos. It's a member only webinar, Crypto Investment Opportunities in Review for the 17th of March. Presented today myself, Leon Hyde. I'm the Managing Director of Investor Signals, Licensed Securities and Derivatives Advisor, and with over 25 years of experience in the financial markets. The content covered today is general advice only. If you'd like to know more about the Investor Signals service, or if you have questions regarding the technology, the member area, the model portfolio, please contact me on 1300 614 002. Moving straight into the current holdings in our large cap crypto portfolio, there's been some significant shifts in risk sentiment after having a couple of months of sort of where the market had been largely risk adverse. We're starting to see buying interest rebuild, in particular in the technology area, both in the US and in Asia. So large cap technology companies in China, for example, the likes of Alibaba, Tencent, JD.com, you're seeing gains in that area of anywhere from 20 to 40% over the last 48 hours, as well as in the US, the leading technology companies there. So that's feeding through to a little bit of a risk-on sentiment. So part of today's recording is not only to review the model portfolio, but to also focus on a couple of shorter-term trading opportunities. Just as a reminder, especially if you're joining for the first time, please make sure that in your setup here, this envelope is green rather than grey. What that's going to mean is you receive a notification in real time when a coin is added or removed to the model portfolio. As you can see from the days held, this is not a day trading or short-term trading portfolio. It's a long-term investment portfolio of high-quality coins. The average holding duration is months or years, not days or weeks. Given the shift in risk sentiment at the moment, we will be looking at a couple of trading opportunities from this list though, and I'll explain how we use the charts to help identify and manage those shorter term trading opportunities. So starting with Polkadot, I click on that code. It's in the model portfolio. If we just jump back to summarize here, it was added on the 24th of the 2nd there at $15.89. It's up 20%, and that's occurred inside 21 days. There's other coins that have been in there for much longer, and you can see some substantial percentage gains there. I'll move through each of these, and there's two coins in particular where I think the technical setup supports a shorter term trading opportunity. So with Polkadot, let's zoom in and have a closer look at that. So we know it's in the model portfolio. You should have an allocation to this as part of your long-term investment strategy, but right now I'm going to look at this from a short-term trading point of view. So it's under algorithm buy signals. It's created a higher low. I've shuffled the support line in tight underneath that low there. In order for your charts to look exactly the same as mine and to be updated whenever I make a change to my chart, it automatically happens to yours in real time. Go up to the top toolbar here and make sure that is turned on. So show Leon's charts will be green rather than grey, so you'll need to click on that and just make sure that it changes to the permanent green there, and then you'll see these same lines and the same stochastic and average, etc. on your chart. So technically what we're looking at here is the higher-low formation and what I refer to as a pivot. Well, this here is the pivot low, and then this here is the higher-low formation. So what we're looking at is first support there at around $16. We can see that it's made the higher low. We're starting to get momentum building higher. The stochastic's moving higher. This is a short-term trade for you to consider in the market. And there's one other that I'll talk about as we roll through these. Binance in the model portfolio under algorithm buy, as is Loopring. Cosmos in the model portfolio doing well under primary buy signal. XE under algorithm buy, as is Chiliz. FTX token under algorithm buy, so it was added here at around this $22 level, now trading 42. So you can see there I'm shuffling the support lines. So again, if you're joining early in the piece, a reference to support is these lines under the buy conditions there. Maker Cryptos in the model portfolio, as is Solana. Crypto.com under algorithm buy in the model portfolio, as is Ripple. And again, just to have a closer look at the technical setup here, so it's under algorithm buy. We can see the pivot low back here, and then the higher low formation there at 63 cents. But our preference is Polkadot over Ripple. Quant under algorithm buy, and Ethereum. So this is the next one that I wanted to look at. So as part of this risk-on move in technology that we're seeing at the moment, shorter term trading opportunities, Polkadot and Ethereum. In the case of Ethereum, pivot low there at around 2150, and then the higher low formation through this range here at around 2430, 2450. So what you're looking at doing is participating in this trade as long as the stochastic continues to move higher and the price action holds above that low. And that's something that if you are looking for opportunities across days or weeks, then you would be looking at these two technical setups in Ethereum and Polkadot. Otherwise, your core focus is maintaining an investment portfolio that gives you exposure to these coins, and we'll just come back and summarize the coins that are in the model portfolio. So we've moved through those and we're back to Polkadot where we started. So again, just a reminder, technical setup here, algorithm buy signal, higher low, shuffle the support in under the low there, and you're capturing this momentum from a shorter term trading standpoint. From an investor perspective, we can see here that the coins have been in there anywhere from 21 days to 1700 days. The buy date's all there, the buy price, the last price, and the percentage gain. And what you're looking to do is to build a portfolio with exposure to these coins, and importantly making sure the envelope's turned on so when new coins are added or existing ones are removed, that you've got those instructions there to adjust your portfolio accordingly. If you require some advice around this strategy, position sizing, please give me a call, 1300 614 002. Thank you for listening in.